Hello viewers, today's video, I want it to be a controversial video and discussion. I want you to tell me what you are going through in your content creation journey. You have to create and brand your channel, your page, a year, 2 year, 3 year, but it seems there's nothing really going on. I want me and you to help ourselves. I want you to drop a comment. Comment what you've gone through in creating content and helping people, which you see that this thing is not helping your page. YouTube is not seeing you. The algorithm is against you. I want you to drop a comment. But I want to ask you and tell you one thing is that all these big creators we are seeing today, there was a time they begged for 1 view. There was a time they begged for 2 views. There comes a time they see 10 views on their videos. And whenever they see 10 views, they are amazed. Is your page just like this kind of page, whereby I have 50 something views, 10 views, 8 views, 4 views? I'm not sad about that, but I want to tell you that keep posting, keep digging for information, keep helping people, keep providing solution to people's problem, keep digging for people's problem, and keep searching for solution, and keep creating content on those problems. And this content should be content that will solve their problem. There are people out there which are waiting. They are waiting for you to bring solution to their problem. One click can expose your page. Just one click. Just one click. One big company might see your page, I might see your video rather, and like the content and be interested, are interested in the solution you're providing, and share your video and take your video to a lot of big people in the society. And from there, you advance, you make it up to the top and start competing with the big creator. Don't be dismayed. Keep posting. Like I said, if you look at this page, you see that this channel rather, you see that, oh, my views are not really growing. The subscribers are not really growing. But I want you to do something for me, and that is that let's help ourselves. Drop a comment about your channel, what you are going through. Drop a comment if you are a creator, even though you are not a creator. If you have a question, put it on the I will come and then respond to your question. Don't forget, my name is James Ola Kenjinu Seraphim, and this is Sirjay Digital Crypto. It's the #1 channel that will give you unfiltered YouTube tips on how to grow your business. I'm a big creator, to be precise. See yourself as a big creator as well. Click this subscription button. Subscribe. Let's grow together. Don't forget, drop a comment. Click that notification bell. Thank you.